Hi, so welcome to video 26, and in this video we're going to be covering assessing keyword performance using Google Analytics and Google Data Studio. So this Google Data Studio report you see right here for Exante UK is using data that's pulled through from Google Analytics, and it lets us see some pretty cool things. So looking here at the 1st of March 2021 to the 31st of March 2021, we have a bunch of information relating to keywords we are ranking for organically. So just to show you this column here, the query column, so this is what people are searching in Google. Impressions is simply the number of times your website comes up in the search results for that particular keyword that people are searching for. And here we can see a percentage increase year on year, which is set by default in this particular Google Data Studio report. We have here also the number of clicks for that particular keyword. So in other words, for this month of March, we have had this many impressions, and of those impressions, we've had just over 8.3k people visiting our website because of this particular keyword search. Makes sense that our branded searches are going to be higher than most generic searches, and that's why we have this separate table over here, which looks at purely generic impressions, and if I scroll down a little bit, just generic clicks. So we can see here, for example, our top generic keyword for March is meal replacement shakes with 105 clicks. This is up 10.5% year on year. Similar story for diet shakes and a couple of misspellings of Exante and then shakes as well. And if I go up a bit, you can see a similar story for our top generic impressions. So it's a really useful way to gauge how well your keywords are doing. Also, in this particular Data Studio report, I'm not going to show you this actual tab just because of privacy reasons, but we do have a tab nodding towards landing page performance. And this tells us which landing pages are doing well in terms of traffic and revenue. And then we can get a sense of, okay, why is this the case? Which keywords are driving this performance? Typically, what you'll find if it is an e-commerce website and you've got a strong brand, a lot of the homepage performance will be driven by the branded keywords. So for example, Exante is the brand here, or Exante Diet, Exante Shakes, Exante UK. These are all branded keywords. And typically when someone searches for Exante in Google, they will find the homepage first. And that's where the homepage performance is being driven by primarily. Similarly, for meal replacement shakes, when people search for that in Google and they click on the Exante result, they'll be taken to the meal replacement shakes page, which makes sense. So yeah, you can start to see where you're going, what's going well, which keywords are performing strongly year on year, and all sorts of cool little things in Google Data Studio. I hope you found this video useful. Hope you found this section useful, and I'll see you in the next one.